Hey folks, Mike Stone back again. Today we're going to talk about how to recover a seat. As you can see, this seat has a bunch of tears, cuts, stains, and boo-boos on it. And we're going to be recovering it today with the new OEM seat cover. We're just going to fit it and line it up to where it looks right. I like to start with the corners. Get it looking right. Flip it over. Generally, I like to start with one side. Helps if you put staples in. Alright, so after I get the sides stapled, I like to come back, flip it over, and just make sure everything's still good. And that'll also tell me if I need to pull more in one area or another. Alright, so after you've got it all stapled, we'll want to inspect and make sure we didn't need to pull it tight anywhere else. You will see there'll still be some lines. Those will go away after a couple days, after the material's been stretched for a while, particularly if it's been in the sun. So we're all good here. I'm just going to trim off the excess. And there we go. One last flip and a look. And there the seat's done. So folks, when the other guys tell you this stuff takes forever, it doesn't. You just saw it right here. I've done it in a matter of less than 10 minutes. Give us a call at 833-CartsMD. We'd be happy to do this for your cart and give your cart a whole new makeover. We can do that and more, folks. Just give us a call, and thanks for your time.